Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Dragonfire Tools Studio.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you love off-roading, you clearly love playing in the mud, but you probably don't like cleaning it up. But Mudbusters can solve that problem. Robert, how'd you guys do it?
Well, we have designed a series of fender flares for side-by-sides that keep mud out of the cabin of the vehicle and off the people inside.
There's other fender flares out there. What are some of the things that separate yours from others I've seen?
Well, the biggest change that we have is our HMW PE plastic. It's a more durable version of the HDPE that you typically find in the market, and it makes a more durable product that's more stable and more long-term lasting.
Let's talk about that. We've seen the other HDPE plastics get brittle in the cold weather. In the heat, there's problems too.
Well, in the early days of Mudbusters, we actually used HDPE, and we had customers comment from up north that were getting their vehicles out in the very, very cold, and they were breaking parts. Also, the people in, say, Arizona that ride out in the extreme heat, they were seeing product that would droop due to the extreme heat. So we changed to an HMW PE, which eliminated both of those issues for us.
What does HMW PE stand for?
It's high molecular weight polyethylene. It's the same type of plastic as HDPE, it's just a stronger version.
Now, looking at this, this looks fantastic with this Polaris. How many different makes and models do you cover at Mudbusters?
We try to cover all of them that we can get a hold of. Right now, we cover a lot of Polaris, a lot of Can-Am, got some Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, got some John Deere coming out, some Arctic Cat. We try to cover as much as we can.
As the kids would say, these are pretty aggro. I don't think kids say that anymore, but these are huge and they're pretty aggressive looking. What different sizes do we have? What options do we have?
Well, for each vehicle, they're typically, I'm not saying with all vehicles, but with most of them, they have several different sizes to fit your needs. This is the max coverage set for this Polaris RZR. We offer a mud light set and a race light set, which both give you slighter coverage than what you've got here, while maintaining aesthetics and giving you some coverage from the mud.
What are the key factors that people use to decide which one to get?
It's all about taste, whatever that particular rider likes as far as coverage goes and as far as how much they want them to stick out on the trails. We do have some vehicles that if they try to get into a 50-inch trail on a 50-inch machine and their Mudbusters may be too wide, so they may want to go with a coverage that's slightly less.
What if somebody has a special application or maybe a vehicle that you don't cover in a rare case?
Well, that's where our custom program comes in. If they have a vehicle that we don't cover, we try our best to get a hold of that vehicle, design it, and release it to the population. If we can't find one, sometimes we co-opt with an owner and bring their vehicle in and design on their vehicle for their specific needs. If they have a vehicle that we already make coverages for, we have a custom program that will allow you to make changes to our design. You can add width, you can add length, wherever you need it, so that it works better for you.
We talked about the resistance of the material to weather and the elements and that sort of thing. What about durability? Once these things are on here, how much abuse can these take?
All you can throw at them typically. We've had vehicles that have been rolled over and the fender's broken and the Mudbusters have survived.
If I do roll it over and something happens to it, maybe a tree gets me or something like that, what can I do?
We have a peace of mind warranty. If you bought the set from Mudbusters and you've damaged one of the pieces, just give us a call and we'll replace that piece free of charge.
Now, you're one of the designers here at Mudbusters.
Correct.
What are some of the considerations you take in when you're designing something like this?
Well, it all comes down to what the user is going to want. Typically, when a new vehicle comes out, there's a lot of buzz on the internet, a lot of talk on Facebook about what they're running into, what kind of problems they're having. So we take that into account. We have a list of users that have specific vehicles, and we ask them what they're looking for. And then we bring the vehicle in, we design it to meet all of those needs that we possibly can, and then release that unit.
We know this is designed to your specs because you guys designed them there in-house. Where are they made?
They are all made in Tempe, Arizona, by hand.
So all in the USA, right there in Tempe.
Yep, they're all made to order. We take orders that day. We produce the product that day on our CNC cutting machines, bend them by hand, box them up, ship them out.
Yeah, it's not just fender flares. Lots of other stuff coming from mudbusters.com. What do you guys make?
Well, we try to make mud protection panels for any vehicle that we really see a need for. There are some vehicles out there that need a little bit of extra coverage around the radiator for mud, or around the battery, or around the gas tank, in the firewall in some vehicles.
I got one for you. I was riding one time way up north in Vermont with a buddy of mine. It was late fall. It was really chilly and we felt a big draft coming up through there. Can you help me with that?
I'm glad you brought that up. On the Yamaha RMAX 1000, we offer a firewall protection panel that stops mud from sitting on a shelf that's in that firewall. It also allows less air to go through the firewall, which keeps the rider more comfortable in a cold climate.
I watched you install these. It was a super quick process. How's it work?
Well, in most cases, we design them to be as easy to install as possible. In the case of the fronts on this one, we just use a few rivets, and that's all there is to it. You drill a few holes, push in a couple of rivets, and you're ready to ride.
Keep the mud where it belongs. Keep it on the trail. Keep it off your vehicle, off your clothes, off your face. Go to mudbusters.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. I promise.